Are you wondering about how to manage the user-submitted data of your payment forms? For web admins, form entries in WPPayForm are easily accessible to manage the payment-related information, and admins can review them when it's needed. To manage all the entries, go to WPPayForm. Click on the Entries option on the left sidebar. Here you will get all the entries that were submitted previously in different forms. Or, if required, you can sort the paid, processing, pending, failed or refunded entries. You can view the single submission data by clicking the View icon located on the right side of the respective form name. You can even delete any data if you don't want to have it on the list. If you have multiple forms, simply sort through the entries by each form you created earlier, or sort out the forms by payment status. There is also a search option to quickly search any input data. View reports will give you a quick preview of how your payment status is going. There are options to export these entries for further use. We took the hassle out of creating online payment forms and made it easy, so get started with WPPayForm today.